do have a very ambitious vision. We do, but I know that if we continue to work together, we will be able to get to where we want to be. And this vision will not just benefit us, but my hope is that it will benefit Philippine Jiu-Jitsu as a whole. Yeah, it's really, like what Mike said, right? The level is so high in the Philippines. I really, really believe that. I mean, in the Asian Beach Games, we were what? 3rd place, right? Overall, like in all the other countries. And at the time, like there were like 5 medals, 4 out of 5 was from Jiu-Jitsu. So just seeing that, right? And here, like, it all starts. Sorry, I really don't have anything prepared. Sorry, I don't have anything prepared. And you guys are here. Did you guys know? You guys knew, but anyway, guys, I really don't have anything prepared. But I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful. And I hope that we all keep just working together and just continuing to help each other grow. And that's the kind of culture that I want to